Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of Voila. Today, we're diving deep into a revolutionary voice-language foundation model that promises to change the way we interact with AI. Voila is not just another voice assistant. It's a game-changer in creating real-time, emotionally expressive conversations. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that truly understands your tone, emotions, and even the nuances of your speech. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, understanding tools like Voila is crucial for both developers and users. The implications of this technology are vast, from enhancing customer service experiences to creating more engaging virtual assistants. In this video, we'll unpack the features, capabilities, and potential impact of Voila. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a developer, or just curious about the future of AI, stick around. We'll explore how Voila is set to redefine communication, making it more intuitive and human-like than ever before. Let's get started. So what exactly is Voila? At its core, Voila is a voice-language foundation model designed to facilitate dynamic and emotionally rich conversations. Unlike traditional voice assistants that typically rely on pre-programmed responses, Voila uses advanced machine learning algorithms to generate responses in real time. This allows for a more fluid and natural interaction, akin to conversing with another person. Voila stands out because of its ability to understand context, tone, and emotional cues, making it significantly more advanced than its predecessors. While traditional assistants might struggle with complex queries or emotional undertones, Voila excels in these areas, providing users with a more personalized experience. It's not just about processing commands, it's about engaging in a meaningful dialogue. As we move further into this digital age, the need for more sophisticated communication tools becomes apparent, and Voila is at the forefront of this evolution. Let's explore how it does this and what makes it so special. Now let's talk about the key contributions of Voila that set it apart in the landscape of AI communication. One of the standout features of Voila is its end-to-end architecture, which streamlines the process of generating speech from text. This architecture allows for seamless integration of various components, ensuring that everything from speech recognition to response generation happens in real time. Additionally, Voila employs a full duplex model, meaning it can listen and speak simultaneously. This is a significant leap forward, as it enables more natural back-and-forth conversations without awkward pauses or interruptions. The full duplex capability is crucial for applications such as customer service, where quick and responsive interactions are essential. By combining these advanced features, Voila not only enhances the user experience but also opens up new possibilities for applications in various fields, from education to entertainment. In the next slide, we'll delve into how Voila allows for customizable voices and personas, making conversations even more engaging. Let's dive into one of the most exciting features of Voila, customizable voices and personas. Voila offers an astonishing library of over 1 million voices, allowing users to select and personalize their interactions. This means you can choose a voice that resonates with you or even create a unique persona that fits your specific needs. Imagine having a virtual assistant that sounds just like your favorite character, or a soothing voice that helps you relax during a busy day. The customization doesn't stop there. Users can adjust tone, pitch, and even emotional expressions, making conversations feel more authentic and relatable. This level of personalization is a game changer in how we interact with technology. It empowers users to create experiences that are not only functional but also enjoyable. Whether you're using Voila for educational purposes, customer service, or personal use, the ability to customize voices ensures that every interaction can be tailored to fit individual preferences. In our next slide, we'll explore the unified model tasks that Voila can perform, showcasing its versatility. Voila's capabilities extend far beyond simple voice interactions. One of the standout features of this innovative model is its ability to perform unified tasks, which encompass automatic speech recognition, ASR, text-to-speech, TTS, and speech translation all in one framework. This means that Voila can not only understand and process spoken language, but also convert text into natural-sounding speech and translate conversations in real time. This multitasking ability is particularly beneficial in today's globalized world, where communication often happens across different languages. Imagine having a conversation with someone who speaks a different language, and Voila translates the dialogue seamlessly, allowing for a fluid exchange of ideas. The integration of these capabilities into a single model simplifies development processes and enhances user experiences. Developers can leverage this unified approach to create applications that are more efficient and user-friendly. In the upcoming slide, we will discuss Voilà's innovative tokenization method that underpins its performance. Next, let's explore the innovative tokenization method that powers Voila's impressive performance, RVQ-based tokenization. This approach is crucial because it allows Voila to efficiently process and understand human language in a way that traditional models struggle with. The RVQ, or residual vector quantization, method enables Voila to compress and represent speech data more effectively, enhancing its ability to generate high-quality responses. By breaking down speech into manageable tokens, Voila can analyze context and meaning with greater accuracy. This results in conversations that feel more coherent and contextually relevant. The efficiency of RVQ-based tokenization also contributes to quicker response times, making interactions feel instantaneous. This is particularly important in applications where timing is critical, such as customer support or real-time translations. In our next slide, we'll delve into how Voila stacks up against competitors in terms of performance metrics and benchmarking results. Now let's take a closer look at how Voila performs in the competitive landscape of AI communication tools. Recent benchmarking results have shown that Voila significantly outperforms many existing models in key areas such as response accuracy, speed, and emotional recognition. In tests comparing Voila to traditional voice assistants, it consistently delivered more contextually appropriate responses and demonstrated a better understanding of nuanced emotional cues. For instance, in a series of conversational tests, Voila achieved a response accuracy rate of over 95%, which is a substantial improvement over the industry average. Additionally, its full duplex capability allows for a more natural conversational flow, reducing the time users spend waiting for responses. These metrics not only highlight Voila's technological advancements, but also its potential for real-world applications across various industries. As we move forward, we'll discuss how you can get started with Voila and explore its features hands-on. If you're excited about the capabilities of Voila and want to dive in, getting started is easier than you might think. First, you'll want to access the GitHub repository where Voila is hosted. This repository contains all the necessary resources, including installation instructions, documentation, and sample projects to help you understand how to implement Voila in your applications. Once you've cloned the repository, follow the setup instructions to install the required dependencies. The documentation provides detailed guidance on how to configure Voila for your specific use case, whether it's for creating a chatbot, enhancing customer service interactions, or even developing educational tools. Don't forget to explore the community forums and discussions, where you can connect with other developers and share insights or ask questions. Voila is designed to be accessible, so you don't need to be a coding expert to get started. In our next slide, we'll look at the real-world impact of Voila and how it can transform everyday interactions. The potential of Voila extends far beyond technical capabilities. It has the power to transform everyday life in remarkable ways. Imagine walking into a store and having a personalized shopping assistant that understands your preferences and can provide tailored recommendations in real time. In education, Voila can facilitate interactive learning experiences, where students engage with AI tutors that adapt to their learning styles and emotional states. In healthcare, Voila can assist in patient interactions, providing empathetic responses and ensuring that communication is clear and supportive. Furthermore, the ability to translate conversations in real time opens doors for cross-cultural communication, breaking down language barriers and fostering understanding. The applications are vast, ranging from entertainment to customer support, and as Voila continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases emerge. As we wrap up, let's recap the key points and invite any questions you may have about Voila's capabilities and impact. As we conclude our exploration of Voila, it's clear that this voice-language foundation model is set to redefine the way we interact with technology. From its innovative architecture to its customizable voices and unified model tasks, Voila represents a significant leap forward in AI communication. We've seen how its RVQ-based tokenization enhances performance, and how benchmarking results position it ahead of competitors in accuracy and emotional recognition. The real-world applications are not just theoretical, they have the potential to impact everyday lives in profound ways. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Voila? Do you have any questions about its features or potential applications? Feel free to drop your comments below and let's engage in a discussion. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the future of AI conversations with Voila.